episode. Oh. Oh. Oh, I bet my stomach is gonna be toe up after this. Cause I'm in shit. Oh. Oh.
Happy, me and my dude be going through it. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry. Come for me, y'all. Come for me. Going through it, but yeah, she knows about me. Okay, so let me sum it up because I was burping for y'all, and I'm sorry. I feel another one coming up, but excuse me. There we go. Okay, so pretty much, barbecue. And so I was like, oh yeah, there's one kind of close to us. So, excuse me, I Googled the place for him. And he want to follow up. What you want on the menu? Y'all know when y'all smell something, you automatically taste it. Yep. Excuse me. Excuse me. I had to fill up. Then get you some chicken to go with it. Baby, listen. I need a straw. Always spilling stuff. Excuse me. Tasty. I need to get into some sausages. It's just my facial expressions. Excuse me. I need to start having an excuse me button. Y'all like my earrings? They say baby girl. Baby girl. And my necklace say Kalia. With my little hair bone. Excuse me. I'm sorry. I don't really know how they're gonna come out. I know it's gonna be loud, but sheesh. Shake the house. All right, so hello. Today I will be doing the chug challenge with this lovely Pepsi because Pepsi is delicious. And, you know, I'm gonna try not to die from doing this, but here we go. Oh, wow. Ugh. Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.